Hi, Scott Lehrer, thecruisegenius.com, president of militaryaffairs.com, MSC Seashore, getting off the ship here at Ocean Cay Reserve Preserve. And this is amazing. How you doing, guys? Good to see you. Thank you. Thank you very much. So again, I've always said that the key to getting off the ship in a port is to get off early. And if you get off the ship early, it's a whole lot better, because you're going to be able to get a deck chair. You're going to be able to get a deck chair. You're going to be able to get a chair. You get an umbrella. And I'll tell you, I'm one of the first people off the ship. And so here I am. Here's some of the crew going over there to get the lunch ready. Hey guys, how you doing? Okay, say Scott Lehrer, USA. All right, so here's the chicken adobo. My name is K-Toot. All right, so anyway. All right, so anyway, these are the guys that are heading over there to do the lunch. Now, the thing that's interesting to me, they do have people here that live here on the on Ocean Cay, that are the people that are serving and doing things. But I guess some people from the ship go over there, wait staff, bar staff, whatever. But anyway, I am one of the first people off the ship, and I've said this 1,000 times, and I actually got this from my friend Rocky. Rocky has said, you'll get off in the cool of the day, get a good deck chair, get a good beach chair. And I mean, I definitely did that on the on the Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady, where I got off early and was able to find a great place to sit, because I got to get away from this music here in a minute. But the fact of the matter is that if you get off early, you're going to find a better place. But a lot of times people will slow cup of coffee, ponder the day, 18 hours on Facebook, and then they get off the ship. And then by the time you get over there, the fact of the matter is all the great chairs are gone. And you know, Caitlin, she's gonna wanna sit right there by the pool, dip her toe in the water. How you doing today? And you'll be close to a bathroom. And if you wait till 10:30, 11 o'clock to get off the ship, hey, it's game over. And then Tom is gonna be getting yelled at all day because there wasn't a good place to sit. So for those folks with mobility issues, you got these beach chair things that people can very easily get around on, which is really good. So a very short walk off the ship, and this is the area right here. Ocean Cay Marine Reserve. This is the yacht club stuff here, and then of course you got the cart for the yacht club people. They get carted to where they wish to go, and just unbelievable. So there's transport pavilion over here. I guess the non-yacht club people can. How are we doing today? Great to be here. My first time here. Very friendly people. So anyway, here's the shopping area. Right now you can rent jet skis. There's lots of things you can do here. Now, from what I've been told, the easiest beach to go to is the one right to the left, right to the left. The easiest beach to go to is on the left. However, you know, that's kind of the lazy way to go, right? I mean, we're at the first place we can go, we're gonna sit there. But that place fills up very quickly from what I understand. And if you don't get a place with a chair and a umbrella, you can be out of luck. Now, the fact of the matter is that I'm fair skinned. I have blonde hair, and my wife insists I stay out of the sun. My wife insists that I use sunblock, and I try my very best to do that because I don't want skin cancer, right? So anyway, so again, a very short walk off the ship. So, you know, like in Bimini, when I was there on Virgin Voyages and on the Carnival Liberty, it's a little bit of a hike from the ship to the place where you get the tram, and then you take the tram over to the beach club, and that's like a 15-minute ride, because you stop by the golf cart place, and so it's you know, it's a little bit of a way. So I guess you can go over here to a beach area, but I've been told to go straight, to go over a bridge, and if you go over the bridge, that's where the people live over there. Let's take a look over this way. So here's all the places where the wife's gonna want to stop and shop, souvenirs, blah, blah, blah. This is the place where when the guy is walking and he looks over his shoulder and his wife is in a gift shop. So again, this is where I'm walking toward the lighthouse right now. Now let's take a look at this, right? So we can get our bearings. This is my first time here. So I have well, I know a little bit because I've watched videos. But you walk up here. So Springer's Bar, the Spa Ocean Cay, Seekers, the Lighthouse Bar, Smiling Fish, North Island. Now I guess North Island, that's the one that's a little bit further away. That has more chairs, that has more umbrellas, and few people go there because it's a further walk. But again, cane crutch, wheelchair, you're elderly, I get it. You want to get to the closest place you can get so that, you know, it's kind of an easy deal. But you know, the flora, the fauna here is really nice. Kind of nice, that music as you're walking, right? Little area here to sit. And of course, are these bars and things going to be open now? Who knows? Coffee, and let's take a look. What's here? Springer's. Well, let's take a look here. Now, of course, it's going to cost, right? This is not included. And see, that's kind of the cool thing over at Virgin Voyages. You can use your bar tab to purchase drinks and stuff. Very nice. I mean, now the fact of the matter is, if you got a child, or if you got children, you're gonna probably want to have a stroller, right? Because you got a 6-year-old and a 4-year-old, they're gonna walk for a little bit, and then next thing you hear, I'm tired, and my legs are giving out. And I know how that is, so you definitely want to make sure that I'd have a stroller. That's what I'd have if you got kids. Now see, here's this little tram here, but I don't know if that's for everybody, just for yacht club. I see yacht club. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's yacht club. Kind of reminds me of Palladium. You got the travel club, and then you have the non-travel club. How we doing today, buddy? It's good to see you.
Only the Bahamas, buddy.
Thank you. Welcome to the Bahamas, buddy. Okay. I don't know about that. Welcome to the Bahamas, buddy. That's funny. So I'm really not sure where I'm going. Getting my steps in. I want to go to the lighthouse. I think I'm the wrong way. But it doesn't matter, does it? Staff area, do not enter. Hey, let's go this way. Let's see what's up here. There's tire tracks, so I don't know what the deal is. Let's. Oh, now there's a lighthouse over there. Okay, so I am to the right of the lighthouse, and the lighthouse, that's where the party is tonight. So the lighthouse is there, and there's a fee, I understand, to go to climb up to the top of the lighthouse. But there's a party there tonight, at night, which is kind of cool. Now, I think I am going to North Beach. So anyway, very nice area. I'm glad it's December and it's not 110 degrees out here, because it would be less than fun. Hey, my friends, is this where they have the lunch?
The bar down every fair? Yes.
Okay, great. So anyway, this is nice. Now, of course, it's only 8:30 in the morning, so they're not gonna be serving lunch. But I had a big breakfast. So I'm guessing that's where they have lunch. Now here's another beach area. Now this has been about a 7-10 minute walk. Yeah, I'm at 11 minutes right now, so it's about a 10-minute walk. And I got my sneakers on, so I'm trying to make this a little more comfortable. Ouch. So here's a beach area here. Now I'm not seeing a lot of umbrellas. Now I understand you gotta rent umbrellas, but there's also umbrellas available if you can find them. Let's come over here, huh? So there's different areas on this beach. The water seems nice. There's umbrellas there, it looks like. So anyway, Ocean Cay, Ocean Cay. And again, you gotta figure it out. You gotta figure out, you've got kids. Yeah, you're gonna wanna go to that first beach to the left when you get off the ship by the lighthouse. Because you're not gonna wanna come down this far. Because it's a hike. It's a hike, okay? You're getting your steps in. But again, if you got kids, so again, not a lot of shade here. And I like shade, right? But again, getting off the ship early, you want to be able to get a good place. Some people walking there. Lighthouse bar. So let's look at the directions here. North Island, Spunk. So anyway, pretty cool, I guess. I'm gonna come over here. A good friend of mine, her name is Marla. How's the sand? How's the sand? Sand's nice. The sand is nice. Again, not very much shade over here. But still, it's a nice beach. Get in the water, snorkel, blah, blah, blah. All right, Scott Lira, President of Military Affairs on Ocean Cay, Ocean Cay, via the MSC. Oh, here's some shade right here. Via the MSC Seashore. Right there. Scott Lira, President of MilitaryAffairs.com, your one-stop shop for travel, hotel, airfare. Ooh, I'm gonna sit in here. Reserved 31. I'm sitting here a minute. So your little area, shaded area, right? Reserved. It's funny. Scalera, president of militaryfairs.com. Ocean Cay, Ocean Cay, MSC.